alien penguin! I'll save you, citizen. Hick, hick, I have the hiccups. I wonder what these are. Dude, you do know that the hiccups are just when like your diaphragm totally spazzes out, man. What's the diaphragm? The diaphragm's at the bottom of your lungs. When your lungs inhale and exhale, it gets bigger and smaller with them. When it has a spasm, it gets bigger and smaller on its own, making the lungs open and close, which makes the sound of the hic. And then what happens is you get the hiccup. Questions, 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 questions. Questions, 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 questions.
Created using Powtoon.